Okay, in the world of exciting and fun features, this heat map is one of my favorite. So if you have been storing addresses for your contacts and addresses for your clients and addresses for your prospects, then when you come to this page, you can click Show Prospects, and you'll see a little map of all the addresses where your prospects are or where your clients are. So I don't really have any right now, but let's say if I go into Joe Schmo's information here, and I can go down to his address and United States. I don't know what the address, I think it's 33 over there in Bellevue. Okay, so if I save this and then I go back to my heat map and click on my process, see, now this is going to come up and I can click on it and see what the address was. Well, that's great for one, but you can imagine the power if you have a whole series of addresses. Now the address can be a full address like this one. It can be just a zip code, just the city, although the city doesn't always get it because it doesn't know what state it is. But you'll see this is just an example so that you can click show and see the power of this. So you can take a list of addresses and just paste them in here, a random list of addresses. Okay, so I have a random list of addresses here that I found, and you can see these are all over the place: New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Washington. And so if I hit show, now it's going to default back to Seattle because that's where the software originates, but you can see as I zoom out here, I can see all over the country where these addresses are that I just put in, and of course clicking on them will show me which address it's working on. So the power of this, again, is being able to have addresses for all of your contacts. If you have addresses for all of your clients in there, then that's useful because it's easy to see geographically where they are. Also useful if you are going to do a mailing, let's say, and you have a list of all the addresses that you want to mail to, you can just take that list, paste it in, and get a good sense of where those addresses will lie on the map. You can see here I am able to paste in just city, state, and zip, do my search that way, and just see on the map where those few are. So it doesn't really require much data for you to get a good data sampling here. And of course, the further you scroll out, you can get to the entire world map or zoom into that particular